climate change is getting worse because of all the fossil fuels we're burning, adding carbon to the atmosphere, heating up our Earth.
It's definitely negatively affecting our Earth.
I think that climate change is a growing problem.
No polar bears.
We can do our best. We can try to cut down everything and keep the climate from changing, but it's gonna change. Storms are gonna get more intense. Winter's coming.
Eventually, it will. The planet itself will actually counteract it and have a massive ice age happen, and it's probably going to wipe us all out.
Maybe another ice age?
Canada won't exist anymore.
I think eventually we're gonna run out of resources.
Worst case scenario, I guess, is it becomes practically inhospitable and we all die.
Eventually it's gonna be shitty. Am I allowed to say that?
Public transportation is better than taking cars for the environment, but it's not as convenient yet.
I think that we're stepping up and making sure that it's better for our environment, but in North America at least, we're not doing anything about it, and that's a big problem.
Let's be real here. No one wants to walk everywhere.
They can change them to electric.
Hybrid cars and public transit should become more of a normal, everyday thing.
I think it's hard to find a balance between protecting the environment and also keeping businesses running.
At this point in time, they give us what we need, but there's, like I said, there's other ways to go about getting that if we look hard enough.
I don't support the way they, I suppose, manufacture energy and would really, really like to back some greener technology.
What people usually see is the money associated with it, but they don't see all of the negative impacts that are happening to the animals and people.
Not only is it affecting climate change and adding to pollution, it's also destroying a lot of habitats for animals. It's affecting many species, besides humans.
They could probably do better with the way that they refine oil, so that they don't use so they don't let out as much carbon into the air.
Oh, I hate them, especially here in Canada.
It's perplexing to me that we haven't switched over to alternative energies yet.
They're all divided.
I think they're divided.
I think there are probably varying opinions.
Divided, definitely.
More than likely, they're divided.
I'd say about 70% is for changing what we're doing. And then the other 30% is there's nothing going on.
I think that at least 70% would believe that climate change is negatively affecting the world.
50-50 or a 60-40.
70 to 30?
40-60.
I think it's pretty much unanimous.
Scientists pretty much unanimously agree on climate change, at least from what I've heard. They agree that it's happening, and they are baffled why people will not believe it.
I don't believe we have reached the point of no return.
Yes, because if you actually look at the amount of carbon that's in our atmosphere, it's kind of hard to get that back out of the atmosphere.
No, not at all.
I honestly do feel like we are, because we've advanced so much technologically that we can't really cut one or too many things off in order to save the environment kind of thing. We can try to slow it, but we can't really stop it anymore at this point, because we're too technological at this point.
For some things it's too late to fix, but not for everything.
It's everybody's problem, but I'm just saying, if it happens, it's not going to be when we're alive.
Yeah, but we can save what we have left if we try hard enough, but obviously it doesn't seem like it's happening.
Okay, there's some things that, we really can't fix at this point in time, but I think a lot of it can be improved upon, and perhaps we could save ourselves from the inevitable heat death. Threatening.
Happening.
Unnatural.
Disheartening.
Terrifying.
Cataclysmic. Cataclysmic!
Dark.
Uncertain.
Gray.
Evangelion.
Smoggy.
Hopeful?